Okay, good morning and welcome back. I think we are here as the last period today, so we will have a little time behind. So we will start with our activity which we discussed yesterday. Some of your friends have already completed it. So I leave it to them to tell us what they had done. So Monica, you can start. Hadas, please don't interfere with your videos. Let them show it. Yeah, if you start speaking, your screen will get shared. Yeah, who is doing it first? Monica, go ahead. Yeah. You have to speak, you have to unmute your...
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, start.
Ma'am, I actually prepared 3 sheets of 10 into 11 rectangles, ma'am, in green graph sheet.
Okay, 10 by 11 green graph sheet, which is your base sheet. Is it correct?
No, ma'am. Base is red one.
Red. Okay. So how many pieces of red did you cut as 10 by 11?
Ma'am, 2.
Please show them first. Others, please follow the instruction. We are only trying to show it from your thinking. If I say something, you say there is some kind of problem in understanding. Now your friend has done it. So that is the first step. That is going to act as the base sheet for all the parts. That is part 1 and part 2. Because eventually we are calculating the area of this rectangle. Can you see the 2 rectangles she has displayed? They are 10 by 11. Please hold them still close to the camera, my dear, so that they are able to count the 10 by 11. Show them the 10 by 11. 11 is horizontal, 10 is vertical. Yeah. Can you see it there? It is 11 horizontal and 10 vertical. So 2 sheets like this, because for both part 1 and part 2 of the activity, you need the red graph sheet which will act as the base. Okay, yeah, go ahead. So that is kept separately, cut and kept separately, right?
Ma'am, then I took 3 green graph sheet of 10 into 11.
So she has taken 3 more pieces of the same 10 by 11 rectangle, but in the second color, which is the green graph sheet. Okay, so you cut them. Then
Ma'am, then I drawed lines as in the figure 1.
yeah, that means you have to make your AP. That is, you have to have the first 10 natural numbers. That's exactly, you're getting that zigzag thing there. Can you see? From the top, you can start. First 1 square, then 2 squares, then 3, 4, 5, 6, till you reach the 10. I think I'll show it to you once again here. I'm also showing it in my camera. So this is exactly what you will want. The red sheet will remain at the bottom. This is the first part of your activity, which is a 11 by 10 graph sheet. On this, you have to paste 2 faces from the same 10 by 11. This green also you will cut as 10 by 11. So you will cut it into 2 halves exactly. Automatically, it will become 2 halves because from the top, you count 1, shade that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, when you draw the lines here after 1 square, after 2, after 3, after 4, like steps it would come. So, when this is representing the first 10 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on till 10. Automatically, the other half will be in the reverse order. Here it will be 1 left out because actually you had 11 squares horizontally. Correct? So out of which 10 is over here. So automatically when this line is drawn, the other portion which is on the top will end up as one more series of natural numbers, first 10 natural numbers. It will start like this, 1 at the bottom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You understand? So when this line is drawn, exactly you will be making 2 portions of this 11 by 10 graph sheet, which is green in color. Like this, you have to cut 3 pieces. That is, from each of the green graph sheet, you will have 2 pieces. So totally you will have 6 pieces like that. But before you cut, what is it that you had to do? Monica should tell us. Was there anything else that you had to do?
Ma'am, we have to shade one.
Yes. One of these portions you had to shade. See, now the bottom portion is unshaded. The top portion, it starts as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. till 10. that has to be shaded because you're going to distinguish between them. This is the unshaded portion and this is the shaded portion. Both of them are identical. So to bring the difference between them, we are trying to shade one card. So you took 6 pieces out of the 3 graph sheets. Continue now. Yeah. She has shown it there. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Then I cut them.
Yeah, tell. Yeah, please go ahead.
Ma'am, that's it, ma'am. I cutted them afterwards.
Can you see the 6 pieces there that she is displaying? All right. So once these 6 pieces are ready, they are exactly what the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. How they are the sum of the first 10 natural numbers? How can you say it will give me the sum of the first 10 natural numbers? Because each of this graph sheet piece that you have cut like this represents a series of natural numbers. So when I add all of them 1, 2, 3, 4, when I add these squares, I am exactly adding the first 10 natural numbers. So the area of this piece, each one of them, totally represents the sum of first 10 natural numbers. All right. So that's exactly what we are trying to find out. Give me a minute. Somebody is getting added. Yeah. So how you will paste, I'm just showing you. Monica, can you show us how you will paste them? Because you have the pieces in your hand, you will be able to demonstrate better. Please go ahead. Keep the first red sheet. Good. Keep it as 11 horizontal and 10 vertical. Turn it towards us so that for me it should be visible like 11 at the bottom and 10 up. Yes, good. See, how do you paste it? You have to paste the red sheet completely on your record notebook. That is the left hand side, the unruled side. Then on the tip of your piece, can you see it is pasted only at this corner? A small little bit of gum and keep it like this. This place alone, there is a little gum required. Can you see? I am seeing a lot of glare, but I hope you are seeing this portion. Can you see when I remove? You are seeing only this area is pasted, the corner, and this will be kept like this. Similarly, the top portion, on the top corner you will paste, right? So apply the glue and paste it like this. This is part 1. All right, keep it aside, Monica. The other piece you keep it and move it away. Now for part 2, that is the next page. Again, come back to the red graph sheet. Show it from the beginning. The red one first, place it. Okay. Now this is the second part that she is doing. So you have to again go and do the first part. That is, red sheet will be pasted. Then on that, always keep the order in mind. The unshaded portion will come at the bottom first. Can you see? The unshaded portion. You will have 3 pieces of shaded portion and 3 pieces of unshaded portion. So on the red, at the bottom you will have the unshaded, on the top you will have the shaded. Then you will reverse. You will bring the shaded portion to the bottom and the unshaded portion to the top, like this. I don't know if you are able to see, because for me there is a lot of glare. So there will be 2 times pasting. First the red, over that the unshaded in the corner, shaded on the top corner you will paste. Then over this, the shaded portion will come and the unshaded portion will come. So this will complete the pasting. I hope you could understand that. Okay, and how did this allow me to calculate the sum of the first 10 natural numbers? I know each piece in that rectangle is exactly equal to the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. Because we are able to find the area of the rectangle, which is 11 by 10. The length of the rectangle is 11 squares and the breadth of the rectangle is 10 squares. So what should be the area of the rectangle? L into B?
110 centimeters.
110 square centimeter. All right. Now, what is the first 10 natural numbers? It is a portion of the entire rectangle. What portion of the entire rectangle? What portion of the entire rectangle is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? You are dividing the rectangle into how many parts?
2.
2. So exactly half of the area of the rectangle is equal to the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. So if 110 is the total area, then 110 divided by 2. What is 110 divided by 2?
55.
55. So 55 should be equal to the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. Please check, add from 1 to 10 and tell me if it is equal to 55 quickly. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till 10. Only then our verification is successful. Is it coming out to be 55?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So that's all. So we could find the sum of the first 10 natural numbers by using the area of a rectangle. That rectangle is divided into 2 APs. What are the 2 APs? Both of them are the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. We have taken 1, 2, 3, etc. till 10 and tried to add them. Each of the triangular piece that you had is exactly representing the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. Because 2 of these triangular regions combine together to form a rectangle, we could find the area of the rectangle, divide that by 2 to tell the area of these smaller portions which are rectangular in shape, triangular in shape, are exactly equal to the sum of the first 10 natural numbers, which is coinciding as 110 divided by 2, which is equal to 55. All right. So we have done this activity to show that the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is equal to 55. Clear? So now I think you should be able to complete the activity. Please do it carefully. It is a very simple one. Only thing, the way you have to visualize the entire rectangle as 2 APs. What is this AP? This is the first 10 natural numbers taken in order and we are trying to sum it up. Followed? So we will now move on to the exercise. I don't know how many problems we should be able to do today. I'll just stop the recording and come back.